Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to deactivate your Facebook account or Facebook page or even delete it. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video today and because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually delete or deactivate your Facebook account or page. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. But I want to take few seconds of your time. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos. So let's get into the video. So when you want to delete your Facebook account, all you need to do is just click on this three dots at the right hand corner. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this settings. So now when it loads up, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll up and you are going to see preference, audience and visibility, payment, permission, then your information. Under information, you're going to see activity log, access and control, access your information, download your information. So now the next thing you're going to do now is to click on access and control. So when it loads up, you're going to see the activation and deletion. The next thing you're going to do now is to click on it. Then they're going to show you where you can delete or deactivate your account. Now we have two options, either deactivate or delete account. Now if you click on deactivate account, you can still come back and activate it after some times or some years or even months to activate it. It's up to you. But if you click on delete account, this one is so dangerous. You can't get it back after deleting. Now, after you have selected the one that you want to do, the next thing you're going to do is to just click on continue. Now, when it loads up, they're going to show you this place now. So if you have anything to answer here, you can answer so that they can be of help to you. But if you don't have anything to answer or to say, you can just click on continue. Then after that, they're going to show you this place now, this interface now. Now here you can save whatever you want to save, download your information or transfer your information. So after you must have transferred or download whatever you want to download or your information, the next thing you're going to do now is to click on continue. After that, they're going to ask you to confirm deletion. Then provide your password and click on continue. Once you click on continue, that is the end. But Facebook is going to keep your page for about 7 days or 14 days. And after those days and you do not return or come back to this account, know that the account would be permanently deleted. So think twice.